Hello. Um, hi, hello. I'm not muted, am I? No, I don't think I'm muted anymore. Okay, so what do you whispers do? I left Remo alone for a little bit. And now they're super upset. What do you do? Anyway. I hope Remo shows up later, but how are you guys doing today? It's been a while since I don't stream like twice in a row. Don't tell her I was playing with fire. Wait, was it Cloud again? But it has been a little bit since I don't stream like twice in a row. I usually stream on Tuesdays, but I'm kind of busy tomorrow. So I figured I would stream today. Actually, I guess I can tell you. I have another exam tomorrow. So it is that's what's happening. So today I was like, okay, I want to stream. So I figured we would just do we would do exorcism again. The same page as before. And then yeah. So that's the plan. But how are you guys doing today? Also, I did see, okay. What is this supposed to be? I'm gonna put it in chat. What is this? This thing. What is that supposed to be? It's like an dialogue box thing. Oh, you're sick? I'm so sorry. I hope you get better soon. It's an idea. I don't know what it's supposed to communicate. And then there's like these YouTube specific emojis. What is this thing? Anyway. It's okay, so it's saying we see you. I guess that makes sense. Okay, but what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, okay. Speaking of emojis, so yesterday we had the celebration, and I activated the memberships, and we have like 13 or like 14 members now. Hi, welcome. So we do have like a few members now. So I look into getting the emotes. Okay. Thank you for the membership, Chillrun. Welcome to Observer. Yeah, but I look into emojis, and I also want to do the members only streams. I'll let you know when that happens. I need to check because I am kind of busy for the next week, but I'll let you know. just came back from shoveling. Wait, is it still a little snow? I know the last month there was like a snowstorm thing. I hope you stay safe. But yeah, okay. I think that's all I wanted to say. So let's just I'm gonna get into the web page and we'll do some more Python. I really want to get good at programming. The storm is over, but there's snow. I guess that makes sense. Okay, just 1 second. I need to make sure if you can see it moving. Because sometimes it like freezes. Okay, you can see it. Oh my god. Thank you for the gift memberships, just ones and zeros. Five memberships. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Thank you. Been learning. Is that a programming language? Cause I don't know. Maybe they have it here actually. I showed this off at the first stream I did of this page. But there's like a lot of languages here. I don't think they have it actually. But there's still a lot here. There's so many. Arturon is just a scorpion. Oh my god, I didn't notice until like now. This one's logo is like 2 ballerina shoes. Okay, also my laptop is doing the weird thing again. I'm probably gonna send it tomorrow for the repairs. Alright, so we are here. I remember, yeah, we did this one last time. Also, this is like it's also a chatting stream. So, it's okay to just talk. It looks like a wrap present, I guess, kind of. Just give me 1 moment. Okay. Little Sisters USA. Okay. So let's see what this tells us to you. Also, I'm here. Should I go to the center? I could be like here. And the instructions are visible. Oh, you know what I realized yesterday? Well, I realized it today. I was gonna show off my design and I forgot. I forgot to do that. Oh well. Anyway. Okay, so... Alright, so the string... Where's the, like, actual instructions? Okay. So, task 1. Capitalize the title of the paper. Any good paper needs a proper... Okay. Implement the function capitalize, which takes us a title string as a parameter. Okay. That shouldn't be too hard. Full model? Maybe, I mean... I don't know when to show it and stuff. I also, you know... I'm always holding my book, so... You don't get to see my blouse. Anyway. Alright, so this shouldn't be too hard. Because title is a string. There's a string, a method to capitalize, right? There's like a specific one to capitalize. Oh my god. When I open the book, you can see remove. I mean, that's part of remove. Okay, there is something to like capitalize. I know this. Well, okay. There's like a title. I didn't know about this one. So it's just like a title. It's a title method. It's like a dedicated title method. Okay. So it shouldn't be too hard. You just do this. Like, I guess I just return title dot capitalize. I mean dot title. And that works, right? That's easy. Make sure to study well. No. I will study wrong. Like this. Okay. I didn't know there was a title method. I hate to admit I cheated my way through classes. I mean... That's fair. Okay, I don't want to sound like... Okay. I don't think I've ever cheated in something. In school. I don't think I did. Check if a sentence ends with a period. You want to make sure that the punctuation in the paper is perfect. Okay, check sentence ending. And we have to check if we have to return a boolean value. Not cheated per se, but I used assets I had on mine. I mean, you know, I feel that especially with something like coding, I think it's kind of part of learning to code. Like seeing how things are done by other people. And maybe trying to understand it. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, how do I check if it ends with a dot, with a period? Khan Academy also has a class of this. You're an engineer, so it wasn't important. That's fair. I once, speaking of cheating, I was playing, what is the name of that game? Fall Guys. I was playing Fall Guys. And I saw a cheater. And it was kind of weird to me. Like, people cheat in that game. Like, I don't remember what the, it was the game where you, like, you have to step on the... Like, there's, like, these tiles with fruits. And, you have to stand on that correct one. And a guy was just flying and I guess that was cheating. Programming is like art. You have your own art style, but you still need to learn. That's interesting. You know, my cousin, I've talked about my cousin before. He's my cousin that showed me Halo and stuff. He's a programmer. And he told me, what was the phrase he used? Like every brain is one world or something. And like, you know, you're gonna get your own style or something like that. Something like that. Cheaters in games that are just messing around. One time I was playing GTA 5. Well, GTA Online. And a guy made my car fly. And it was funny. I mean, your focus is drifting. Okay. That is true. But it's okay. This is just like chill practice. Okay, but how do I check for this? I mean, I have an idea, but I don't know. Because it's a little too complicated. Oh, there's an ends with method. Okay. I was gonna do like a new statement. I was gonna do this. If sentence. And I was gonna check the final index. And I was gonna do equals period. Because that should work too, right? But there is a method for this already. So how does ends with work? I guess I can just do this. Also, I found that like syntax is hard to remember. You can set up a Python environment. What's a period used? I mean, it's just the end of the string. I think this whole thing is about strings and string methods. And honestly, that's what confuses me sometimes. When something is a method and something is a function. Because like, what if I just wrote like, I keep saying which. Oh my god. Like this, like that would be a function. But this is a method, so it goes like this. And that confuses me a lot. Also, I do have a Jupyter notebook, but I guess I can show you my notebook. Because like I promise I'm doing things that are a little more complicated than this. Oh, computer, don't do that. Let me show you. Wait, my computer is saying a weird thing. Where did I put my plot? This is just like a plot. Wait, can I? Oh my god. I guess I'll just make a new one. Wait. Oh, what happened? Can I not copy this? Just like text? Okay. What? I cannot copy. Oh, I did it, okay. Let me show you. Because this is my notebook. I made a little sign. A sign, I mean, this is not the sign. Where did I put my sign function? I guess I guess it's something else, but this is just a parabola, I guess. I had a sign function, I don't know where I put it. Anyway. I showed it last time? Maybe. Alright, so what's task 3? Clean up spacing. To make the paper look more professional. Well, I know this one. Isn't this the strip method? Or maybe it's a function, I don't know. Yeah, okay, it's just strip. So I just return... Wait, what's supposed to go into the... Oh, I think here I need to put like what yeah, what characters I want to strip. What if I just want to get rid of white space? Do I just leave it like this? Or do I put like the... I guess I'll try it like that. We'll come back to this if it's wrong. Okay. I'll just leave it like that. And what is the last one? Replace words with a synonym. So you get sentence as an argument. And then the old world and the new world. Okay. There's like a replace method too, right? Oh, the bookkeeper. That's me. How do I do this? Okay, I need to replace... Oh, I get... Okay. Sentence replace. And then here we put the old world, old word, and new word. Oh, but I should return this. I think we're good. One of the statements of all time. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay. If this is wrong, I will quit. I will quit Python forever. Okay. Okay, so it's not all wrong. So what happened here? Remove extra spaces on the start. So do I... Okay. Okay, so I got an error message. Do I leave this just open? Okay. So it was just open like this. You need to get the test passing. Didn't I just do that? Why is it not letting me submit? Hi, welcome. That was weird. Good work. Here are some. Okay. Alright, so we made it. That was not too hard. I don't know if I should share my solutions. I mean, I'm doing like very basic stuff, so... I learned one concept. Also, I do expect to stream on Thursday. I'm not sure what I'll stream on Thursday. I guess I can stream RuneScape or something. Just give me one moment. Okay. Alright, so what's next? Another card games. Oh, this is about lists. I like using lists. I think I like arrays better, but you know. First celebration, then Monday, and then Thursday. I mean, it's almost the same. Okay. So let's do this. Oh, Rimo. I guess Rimo is back. Oh, hi, welcome. Trying to find some demos for the Steam Next Fest. I don't think I've ever like done a lot of demos during a next fest. But I guess, you know, that could be fun. You repent? I don't think Remo is upset anymore. They're fine. Alright, so... Oh yeah, I also wanted to show Remo yesterday. I mean, that's just part of Remo though. Remo is so cute. Alright. Okay, so what do we have here? You know, there's all this explanation, but I will ignore it. Now, I'll go back to it once I need it. Okay, so... Remo is cute. Oh, have you guys played Cyberpunk 2077? I wanna get like so good at programming that I'm like a netrunner. And just like do hacking through your eyes and stuff. That's fun. That game is really fun. Using the low-level arrays. I mean, I guess I meant numpy arrays. Me, Edge Runner. That anime was good. The anime made me play the game. Okay, so... Oh, Elise? Oh, Remo's gonna get upset. I guess it's a different spelling, but Elise is especially fond of poker. Wants to track how many rounds she plays. And which rounds those are. Okay. In Geda, list is handled differently. I heard Python is like easy for starting. Every round has its own number, and every table shows the round number currently being played, okay? Elise chooses a table and sits down to play her first round. She plans on playing 3 rounds. Implement a function, takes a current round number and returns a single list with that round. And the next 2 that are coming up. Okay. Cool nerd vibe. I didn't know there was a second season to that show. But I guess it makes sense. That world is like super large. The world of Cyberpunk. You can make so many stories there. Alright, so let's see. Create a list containing the current and next 2. Alright, so if number is the argument, I guess I can just do like can I like just add to like each number? I feel this is kinda I mean, that I think that should work. I guess I can just run tests and like go one by one. I will come back. Okay. I have a thing here. Didn't those guys also make Little Witch Academia? Alright, but we got the first task. Keeping all rounds in the same place. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I forget that these are different tabs. Little Witch Academia was good. Okay, at least played a few rounds at the first table and then took a break. And played some more rounds at a second table, but ended up with a different list for each table. Chance to put the two lists together. Okay. Can't I just like use a plus sign for this? I'm glad you're safe. I think this should work. Because there are two lists, and I'm pretty sure that if you do this, they like, they join together. I think. Okay. Okay, that's good. You know, some of these streams that I make sometimes, I feel really stupid. And I think that right now I don't feel stupid. But watch me become stupid. Okay, so we have to... Talking about some of the prior poker rounds, another player remarks how similarly two of them played out. Okay. Don't challenge yourself to be stupid. Okay. Hi, welcome. This contains round. Takes two arguments, a list of rounds played on our own. The function will return true if the round is in the list. Do I, I guess I can like, wait. I'm not sure how to do this. Alright, so we take the two rounds. Wait, but I don't get it. Oh, okay, I get it now. Wait. I need to check if the number is in the round list. Right? Because like here, I don't even know if you can see it. Oh, you can see it, okay. But here, like, it checks for that 29 in here. And it returns true because there's that 29. And the other one is false because there's not 30. So can I just do like a for loop? Probably. Let's see. I think maybe. I just go like for... like this, maybe? And then like this? Somebody mentioned last time that something about booleans. Booleans to confuse me. But okay, so this is like for every value in rounds, we're gonna check if the value is number. And if it is, we return true. And if it's not, we return false. I will use a for loop looking for the number if they were in order somehow. You could try. Oh, wait. But this is gonna return true. Wait. What happens if the first number is not the number? Alright, so let me think what this is doing. So if we take this list, first is 27. And then it checks if it's 29. And it will return false. Oh, but then when it moves on from the 29, it's just gonna become false again. Right? Because like 27 would be false. Then 28 would be false and 29 would be true. But then it would keep going. So this is always gonna return false. Am I right about that? I think so. So somehow I need to stop. I need to stop if it like... You only return false after the loop ends. But how is that gonna... How does that work? Okay, but if I have the false outside... But what if it moves on though? Return also stops? So this is already gonna stop when it finds the true value? Okay, so this would return... This would actually make it stop. Okay. So this has to be out of the loop. I don't need the else, right? Can I just leave it like without the else? Okay, I think we did it, right? Because that was number 3. Okay. Alright, so we got the first 3. You see? I am a super programmer. Have you guys seen that, speaking of Nintendo, have you seen that, that Nintendo's going to, is re-releasing Fire Red and Leaf Green? for like $20 each. That's cool. Thanks, Nintendo. Hi, welcome. Although I will say, okay, I've only played those games through... I haven't even finished them. But I played them through emulators. And I've never played like a native version. So it makes me curious. But that price is crazy. You cannot even play online. That's crazy. And you know what's worse? People will buy them. And there's like this thing, this worm in my brain, that I may become people. I don't want to, but I may buy them. Just because I'm curious to see how they would run. And how they would look like on the Nintendo Switch to... like that screen. I don't know. No, Ami? I mean... I guess it's true. Alright, so we want to try out the new game called Black Joe. It's similar to Blackjack, okay. What? Okay, fine. Where your goal is to have the cards in your hand add to a target value. The goal is to get the average of the card values to be 7. So called free thinkers when Pokemon thing? Okay. I like Pokemon. Okay, so we need to make sure that the average is 7. The average can be some... yeah, I know how to get an average. Wait, so I just have to calculate the average? Okay. Can I do like yeah, I can use some. Wait. Can't I just do like that should work, right? I think that works. Those 20 could get you 3-4 card packs. You know, I never got into that Pokemon card thing. Okay, we got it. Did you guys watch the Detective Pikachu movie? I watched a video about that movie yesterday. I always assume that it's like that it hadn't made its budget back, but it actually did, and that makes me like very curious. Cause like it was actually really good. I don't know, but I haven't really heard too much about it. But like I was surprised that they didn't make like another one. is Pokemon will sell? I guess so. People said it was the first good video game movie. I thought that was the Monster Hunter movie. That's a great movie. People bought Sword and Shield. I bought Sword. I was people that time. I'm sorry. I don't think I finished it either. I like the trainer theme song. Like in the gyms. That song was so good. Okay, but we're in 5. Okay, speed is important. You bought Sword too? You haven't played since Xenon. Is that Gen 4? The first Pokemon I finished was the one with that deer on that 3DS. Gen 5? You tried a full remake of Sword? That's kinda cool. I'm playing the ROM hack right now. I'm playing, well, I've been playing for months now. But I'm playing Emerald Sea Glass. And I wanna play the same dev made what was the name? I think Lazarus. And it's like the same style, but like there's like the newer Pokemon in it. So I really wanna play it. I do wanna do a Nuzlocke. Once the bookshop is ready. Hi, welcome. Poke MMO with the whispers? I guess that could be fun. Okay, so what do I have to do? She's gonna try to find a faster way to get an average. What does that mean? She has 2 ways of getting that average like number. Take the average of the first and last number, and using the median. The median makes more sense to me. As central tendency measure. The median is closer to the mean than this. You're basically taking the extremes. Sorry. You wanna play the DS and 3DS games? What was the game with the... There's that guy. Narmonia, whatever. You figure out what the bookshop is? That's not true. The Alcott guys? That's true. Okay, so we have to implement the function. The hand is a list. Return it true if either one or both of the above. Oh, okay, so we have to make sure, okay. We need to see if the if either of these actually gives us the average, that shouldn't be too hard. But how do I do that? I'm not sure how to do the median. But the other one is easy. I guess I can just do like, I'm gonna call it method 1. And I guess I can do hand 0 plus hand minus 1. And then we just divide over 2. Namona. What am I thinking of instead? Lilies from Alola. And that's Moon, right? I want to play through Moon. You know, I think I mentioned it before, but I like Pokemon, but I haven't finished that many games. I finished X. That's the one with that deer, I think. And I finished... Oh no. Did I finish? Wait, no, that's also X. Okay, I have played more games, but I haven't finished them. Because I did play Sword. And I wanna play Arceus. Legends Arceus. Alright, so let's see. How do I do a method 2? Like, how do I get the median? Is there like a median function? Well, I guess I can... There's like a way to calculate the median. If I get the... It's the number that is in the index at the middle. Soul Silver. Isn't that... Don't you get like a... Like your Pokemon follows you in those games? Alright, but the median is the index at the middle. The index at the middle would be the half of the length. So maybe I do this. Except that the length, okay, what if it's 3 though? Oh, also this is not correct. I need to make sure this is like... divisible by 2, huh? I guess I could do an if statement, but there has to be an easier way for this. Life-size plush of a Pokemon. But there has to be something better for us. For this thing. Okay, let me see. So we need the number at the index in the middle. The index in the middle is half of the length. But what if the length is an odd number? I could do like that works if the values are sorted? Oh, that's true. I guess I need to sort first. And also for the first method. Kings you like? Okay, how to do? There's a thing called sort. But is sort a function or a method? I think it's a method. I think. So then I just go like wait, can I just call a function in here? I'm not sure. Because I need to compare all these quantities. Yeah, King's Hill was like a Bloodborne predecessor. Well, a Souls game predecessor. I never played that game. What is it even for? Is it like a PS1 game? It feels like it's gonna be PS1. Or PS2. So I guess if... I think that's how it would work. The console everybody jokes about having no games. I think it's every console. Okay, so that's definitely not it. Type error. Yeah, okay, the index must be an integer. So that's the problem that I thought about before. Because if the hand is not an even number, this gives me I guess I have to do an if method. Oh, it's PS1. Like, I mean, I need to do an okay. I need to do an if statement here, I think. Yeah, I guess I'll do an if statement. Let's put it here. So if I do a flat division by 2 and it's equals to 0, that means that that's an even number. So So we can just how did I write this before? It's like the index. Okay. Like this, I think. Oh, this creates a decimal? Can I do like an int? Like I convert it to an integer? This is looking messy, but it's like I take the length of hand, and then I divide over 2, and then I make it an integer, and that becomes the index for hand. And then I assign the value to method 2. And then if it's not an even number, I guess I have to do I need to modify this to make sure that this is an even number. So I guess I could do like +1. I think. Because now if this is 3, this becomes 4. And then we divide over 2. But the median would not be this though. It would be the average of the number before and after. Wait, no, what? No, yeah, this will be fine. Because like, okay, if the length is 3, then there's 3 elements. And so if I do this, this is gonna give me the... Wait, what is gonna be the index here? Let's imagine this is 3. So this becomes 4 over 2, that's 2. So it's in index 2. But isn't that the last number? Yeah, the index in the middle would be index 1. So I guess I would be -1. Because that way it would be 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1, and then we make it an integer, and that's gonna be the... I think this works. Okay, if this doesn't work, I will quit streaming forever. Well, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. And thank you for your support. Bye bye. I'm King. What happened here? This is not a way to test even odd. Isn't this a flat division? And so the remainder is 0 if it's an even number? Wait, I don't think maybe I didn't finish something. Oh, it gives you the result. Oh, I need modulo. That's the one. Okay, it's still wrong though. Why is it still wrong? Assertion error, non-false. Oh, I guess, okay. I didn't put like else return false. It's just returning none. Okay, so almost. 2 of the subtests didn't work. Okay, so this is the problem. Let's see. Let me see the example. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8. It should return a true value. Okay, so let me see. If we do the method 1, this gives me 4.5. And method 2, let me see. I'm just kind of reading that data here. So if I have so the length of this one is, it's 5. So it would do this. So that means that it would be 5 minus 1. And that would give me 4 over 2, which is 2. So that the median would be the 4. Which is good, which is fine. Should you be sorting? I think so, because I'm getting the median. Okay, so method 2, method 2 should be fine. Method 1 is the problem here, because it's giving me 4.5. Oh, but this is OR. So it should be fine. What is the actual average of this thing? 3, 7, 12, 80. I mean 80. 20. Oh, over 5, that's 4. So it should be fine. Parentheses around the minus. This minus. Wait, what's going on here? Forget about the minus and use flat division. I guess that's true. But I mean, what I'm confused with is that this does work. Because the length is 5. So it's 5 minus 1, which is 4, over 2, which is 2. And that becomes the index for hand. And index 2 in hand is 4. Oh yeah, but because of order of operations, this should still be working, right? Because it's from left to right. Oh, but okay. I think that should be fine. Okay, we got it. Thank you. Alright. So let's see what's the next one. We have 2 more. This one is harder than I thought. Also, my computer is doing the thing again. You guys can hear it, but it sounds like a turbine. Okay. You know, I was thinking about I was gonna stream eugenics today. Instead of this. You know, cause I don't know. I wanted I like that game a lot. I think Thursday we're gonna do what do you call it? We're gonna do RuneScape, I think. On Thursday. And then I think I'll do... I don't know. I need to figure out the... when I can have the members stream. Eugenics is so much fun, but I had a really good run with some really strong cats, and then they all died. I think in the caves, and I lost everything. And the thing about this game is that it's very different from Isaac, because when you lose, Isaac doesn't really have meta progression aside from like unlockables. So every run is like fresh start. But in eugenics it's like you lost your cats, like your strong cats, so, and you also lose your money and your food. I had one of my kitties was like it had like this spell. It was called like Forbidden Flame or something, and you just burn the entire field. It was fun. What are the plans for the member content? Well, there's emotes. I have a friend, she's a VTuber as well. She used to make emotes. So I may reach out to her. I don't know if she makes them anymore. But yeah, I do want to have emotes. And we'll have the... I think that in the first member streams, I wanna figure out what does the emotes should be. But yeah, I gotta think about it. Alright, so let's see. Intrigued by the results, okay. if taking the average of the cards at the even positions versus... Wait, I don't understand what they're asking. Oh, okay, wait. So they're asking the average of the numbers at even indexes, and the average of the numbers at odd indexes. Okay. So I guess I have to do a for loop. So let's see, for because we're gonna go through every number. Let's see, if the index... I keep messing up. Wait. No, how do I do index? I think like this, right? I can find the index like this. I will say though about the well, let me just check this. I think it's like this, because it's gonna give me the index of the value. So if this is an even number, what if I initiate two separate lists? And then I just add to these lists, and I can calculate the averages. You can use enumerate. I don't know how that one works. I don't remember. But oh, 1 second. I will see about the member streams. I think it's like a little intimidating, I guess. Cause like I don't know if I'm good at that chatting streams. So, you know. Like I think I'm good at like yapping on my own. But I don't know if that's what a chatting stream. Index is fine, but it's slow. Okay. And then I just add the value to the list. I'm pretty solid now. I don't know. Like I do think I'm good at like maybe talking to myself, but is that fun? to watch me just yap. It's not really about that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm good at like nah, I don't know. I have a dumb brain. A dumb brain for that is dumb. I am the dumbest VTuber. A stupid idiot. No, but cause he's the appeal? Maybe. Alright, so I put them in their perspective lists. So I just have to get the average. I guess I just get the averages. Oh wait, but this shouldn't be in the loop. It should be outside. I think like that. Member streams, we can just do history. I guess so, I don't know. Good catch. Well. Oh, this joke takes me too long. I'm a super programmer. Of course I catch things like that. Do you not see my game? Okay. I wanna be good at programming. Honestly. This is my 7th week learning. I do wanna be like good at it, I don't know. Okay, and now we have to compare them. I think that should work. Okay. I guess it didn't work. Okay. This happens to me so much too. Like, I forget that I put an S. Okay. Can I interest you once again in return A, B? Oh yeah, because that would return true. Oh, it's not defined. Oh, okay. I'm so stupid. Okay, there we go. So we just have the last task now. You had to make games with our language extremely. I recommend Godot. I like the logo of Godot. Not stupid learning. No, I am the dumbest. The dumbest VTuber. Okay. Now I am learning. I'm trying. Every 11th hand, okay. It's a bonus hand with a bonus roll. If the last card you draw is a jack, you double its value. Implement the function maybe double last. That takes our hand and checks if the last card is a jack. If the last card is a jack, double its value. Oh, that should be easy. Because if hand is the parameter, all we gotta do is to if we just access the last index and we check if it's 11, and if it is, then we just double. Verilog? What is Verilog? I never hear of that. I can just multiply here, right? Can I just modify one value in a list? I think I can. So I can just do like this, right? I think so. And then I just return the hand. And I also wanna like I wanna learn other languages too. I think I wanna learn C. Hardware description language. I don't know what that is. But it sounds complicated. Okay, so does that work? I don't like this works. Okay. This works because a list is a mutable object, unlike a tuple. A tuple is not mutable. So I was able to modify the last value in place. That's how you say it, right? Alright, but we got it. Oh, these characters again. These characters are always like, you stupid idiot. You could have done all of this instead. Alright, what are they saying? Python style conventions. Line 104. I I don't have anything there. Are they saying that I should remove them? Line 35. Okay. Any vowel... Okay. I guess that instead of the loops, I could have done this. Flying things. Okay. Making languages is pretty fun. How does one make a language? Like a programming language. Okay. I don't know what these are. But how does one make a language? You know, I hadn't thought about that. You use a low-level language like C to make a high-level language. Of course. But that is actually pretty cool. So like... So I'm guessing that you like you make a compiler, you made a language? Okay, give me 1 second. Because I need something right now. I need a reaction to this. Okay. My reaction to that information. Anyway. Okay, so I don't know how long the other ones are gonna be. Because I don't have much time left. So maybe I should just end here. Maybe. Just 1 second. Okay. I think I'll just end here. Because like I don't know how long the other ones are. These are still learning though. Like this is not even the easy level. So what is the hard level like? REST API? Oh, bookstore. I wanna open my bookshop. I should do this one then. Maybe some other day. But I'm not even on the easy level yet. But I think I'm getting better. I don't feel so stupid anymore. So that's good. The bookshop is right around the corner. It should be ready in April. It's still a little far, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys stay to see it, and I hope that you like it once it's ready. I cannot tell you what it is. But you will see it. I'm actually very excited to show you. So I hope you stay and see it. Anyway, I guess that's it for today. At least for the programming. I guess I did 2 exercises. Right? No, I think I did. No, I don't know. I think I did 2 of them. But that was good. So thank you for watching. I mentioned it before, but I won't stream tomorrow because I am busy. I have an exam, a coding exam actually. The exams are not like it's technically not tomorrow. I just get the instructions tomorrow, and I have some days to do it. So tomorrow I get the instructions, and I have a few days for it. But even if I'm not done, I think I will stream on Thursday anyway. Because I don't know. Oh, what is this counter? Oh, it's the goal. Okay. I got a little scared. Well, like, what is 3 minutes? It's just the goal. That's fine. So yeah, I won't stream tomorrow, but I will stream on Thursday. I don't know where I'll stream. I think I'll just do probably some RuneScape. I don't know. And I think I also want to stream on the weekend. I guess 1 second. Okay. Alright, but anyway. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Which is on Thursday. Thank you for the memberships and the gift memberships. I really appreciate it. I hope that I can, like, I don't know, never mind. I just keep that to myself. But I will see you next time. I am a little bit nervous about the exam. I hope I do good. Alright, bye-bye. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me. So, Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.